Okay, so I want to show you this pattern on Sam. I want to show you this pattern. Again, the GLDs are bullish on the 30-minute and the 60-minute time frame. Let me just show you, right? Here's the 60, here's the 30. Now you have what's called a buy disconnect here, okay? And so when you got the 5-minute time frame reversing to buy, the strategy is you buy the oversold condition on the 3 or the 5-minute time frame. Here's the 3. You can see that the GLDs got down to 416.10 and it ran about, I don't know, 65 cents. So if you take that equivalent to gold futures, is which everybody trades, right? You can see the gold futures gets down to 55.9 and it rallies. Look at that. Beautiful pattern, up almost $7-8. This is a great pattern, and you would never been able to really see it, okay, if it wasn't for the underlying ETF, the GLDs. And that's why I use the underlying ETFs in order to help me identify the pattern. So this basically is a pattern. This is what's called a double blue buy signal on the 5-minute, because the 5-minute time frame correlated with the 30-minute right here and the 60-minute time frame. This is an absolute Picasso. Gold up 8.